In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Craigslist. Whether you're decluttering your home or looking to make some extra cash, Craigslist is a great platform to connect with potential buyers in your local area. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Craigslist website for your specific area. You can do this easily by typing Craigslist into your search engine and selecting the location nearest to you. Once the page loads, you'll notice several options, but for now, focus on the top left corner where you'll find the option to post an ad. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of post you want to create. For selling items, you'll generally want to select For Sale by Owner. This option is perfect for individuals looking to sell personal items rather than businesses or dealers. But if you feel another category fits better, choose according to your needs. After selecting For Sale by Owner, you'll be guided to pick a category for your item. For example, if you're selling a refrigerator, you'd click on Appliances. However, if your item belongs to a different category, make sure to pick the one that best fits your item. This helps potential buyers find your listing more easily. Now, it's time to fill in your post title. The title is crucial as it's the first thing potential buyers will see. Make it descriptive yet concise. Something like gently used stainless steel refrigerator works well. This gives a quick insight into what you're offering. Following the title, you'll be asked to provide a detailed description of the item. This is your chance to shine. Include key details like the condition of the item, any unique features, and why you're selling it. Be honest and transparent to build trust with buyers. Next up is pricing. Click on the price field and enter the amount you're hoping to sell your item for. It can be helpful to do a little research on similar items to ensure your price is competitive. Remember, buyers often like to negotiate, so keep that in mind when setting your price. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Continue. This will save your progress and lead you to the next step, adding images. Good pictures can make all the difference. Aim for clear, well-lit photos that show your item from multiple angles. This helps potential buyers understand exactly what they're getting. After uploading your images, review your ad to ensure everything looks good. If all is well, go ahead and submit your post. And that's it! You've successfully created your Craigslist listing. Keep an eye on your inbox for messages from interested buyers and be ready to negotiate to close the deal. Selling on Craigslist is a straightforward process, and with these steps, you're well on your way to making your first sale. Thanks for watching and happy selling!